As people across Acadiana are staying at home, that means more trash is being produced.
Yeah, take the city of Lafayette and unincorporated areas of the parish. According to Republic Services, they are seeing not only overflowing trash cans, but more yard waste as well. Crews are trying to keep up while responding to an overwhelming number of calls. And some numbers for you tonight. Over the last month, Republic Services is now answering more than 100 calls per day when they typically get 20 to 30 calls. LCG's call center has answered around 190 customers. Tonight, Chris Welty has more on the challenges sanitation workers are facing during this difficult time. It's tonight's top story.
Republic Services is asking for the public's help as their crews are in overdrive, making sure they don't miss any collections throughout the COVID crisis. Throughout Lafayette Parish, garbage crews are hard at work, making sure whatever you have piled up curbside makes it into the truck.
You could have many of these trucks that could cycle through a traditional route and maybe have to go to the disposal facility 1 or 2 times. Now you're doubling that in many cases.
Republic Services is asking for patience. They're seeing a 50% increase of waste, meaning it takes longer to pick up. Lately, it's common to see trash and recycle bins overflowing or debris not bagged.
Don't overload these bags. Keep them to about 50 pounds or less if you can. And also in terms of the yard waste that you're putting out, the limbs and the different types of tree branches, keep those to about 4 feet in length.
Leslie Francis knows the work these crews are doing is essential.
They're sacrificing their lives to do this. And if a day comes that they can't pick that stuff up, it's going to pile up. We'll have something worse than COVID.
The employees are wearing masks, protective glasses, and latex gloves underneath their work gloves. The trucks are stocked with sanitizer and are completely disinfected before and after each shift. Though difficult, the team practiced social distancing by having someone ride on the back of the truck.
Us practicing social distancing at work during our safety meetings in small quantities of crowds, and also having the drivers who are following the instructions of what we're giving them to do en route is really helping us stay safe.
If you see any of them needing extra gloves or some masks, give it to them. Help them out.
Another issue Republic Services is facing is some customers are putting regular trash in their recycle bin. They say don't do that because once that happens, the recycling is then contaminated. Instead, order a second bin. They have trash and recycle bins available. All you have to do is call. In Lafayette, Chris Welty, KATC TV3.